How to fix display black and white in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, turn off sleep mode. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on lock screen and home screen. Scroll down. Click on lock screen. Scroll down. Click on sleep display and turn off this button. After turning off this button, click on turn off. After click on turn off sleep mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Open setting, search dark mode. Now click on dark mode and click on light and click on save. After click on light, turn off dark mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset by setting and again click on reset by setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again open setting, again click on system, again click on reset option, click on erase all data, factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, photo, picture, video will be erased or deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix display black and white in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.